Hello everyone, today we will be solving the question 1451. The question is rearranging the word in the sentence. Now in this question, what the question says is in the text we have given a text LeetCode is cool. So what we have to do with this text, that we have to rearrange the text according to the length of the size. That is, when the string for the text LeetCode is cool, we have to first see which is the smaller length of word, that is the smallest one of all these, so it will goes at the first position. Then cool is of forward is the second smallest, so it will goes at the second place, and LeetCode is the longest length string, so it will go at the last. So this way we have to arrange this, or we have to sort this. So in this example also, the lower length of string is taken first and followed by the other greater length. So what would be our approach? So our approach will be simply to sort the strings like an array. Like in array, we are sorting the things array by using the function arrays.sort. Like that way, we will convert this text to a array of strings, and we will compare to strings length, and we will sort them accordingly. So at first we should convert this text into the string. For that, step 1 is converting the string into strings of arrays. So string answer is equals to we will be using some strings functions here to do this. For that, and also we have to take care that the first word is capital here, but in the answer string the first letter should be smaller, and the corresponding first letter of the first index should be greater. So we have to take care of this case also. So for that, we have to firstly converting this whole string into the lower cases. So we will be using functions like text dot to lower case, and then we will be splitting on the spaces. So here the three strings will be formed. First is LeetCode, and in the at index 1 is each, and index 2 will be cool will be stored. Now we'll be using the sorting function of the array to sort the array of strings by their lengths. So second step will be sorting the arrays on array.sort. So what this function is actually doing here is, it is taking the, like, let me build an array. For example, LeetCode is So this is a array that answer array found from the text history. So what this function is going to do here is it will go into the answer array, that is answer array is this much, this is our answer array, and it will pick two elements a and b, starting two elements, that it will pick LeetCode and is, and by that way it will compare the length of a and length of b, that is it will compare the length of LeetCode and the length of is. If the length of a is greater than length of b and it will subtract, then it will obviously give a positive result, like LeetCode length is greater than the length of this, so this much is going to give us positive. And when we use this function in the array.sort, then and we get the result positive, then it will simply swap the a and b two elements, that is it will going to this swap is going to be here and LeetCode will be here. Then again it will pick to another two element, that is LeetCode and the cool, and that's why it will sort the whole array in the O log n time complexity. So this was the use of these functions. Now our string is sorted, text is sorted, we have to convert this into another string and return this, convert the answer into a string and return this. So our third step is converting array to string. String final answer, let it call final answer is equals to let it be empty string, let 4 int is equal to 0. Final answer plus is equals to plus space. So this is the thing, and some spaces, but here there is some problem in the final answer string. The problem will occur, it will include the is in with the first letter in the smaller, that is only this is not done, here a small I will come, so this will be going to be a problem and this will not pass the edge cases. So for that we have to do another thing also. Before this, here actually what will be doing is in final answer we will add the first element with the first index greater, and then we will be iterating from the first index. We will be adding the 0th index of the array in the final answer, and then we will iterate from 1 till last, and we will be adding the 0th index such that the first letter of the index is in the capital form. So how this is done is answer of 0 dot to uppercase dot char at 0. We will be taking the character at 0. We will capitalize all the letter of the answer, 0th index of the answer, and take the first letter, that is I is taken, and then we will add the subset of the final answer, subset of the first string from 1 to last index, like that. For example, if LeetCode was our first instead of is, LeetCode our first LeetCode would be our first like how we'll be going to do is we will be first increasing the whole letter into the uppercase and taking the first character, and also we will be taking the subset of the remaining letter. We will be adding the subset of the remaining letter also. Substrings from 1 to length of the and some spaces also. So let's see, and also we have not returned our thing. Okay, then at the fourth here final answer. Dot class exception means what? String answer is equal to okay. So also here there is some mistake. We have also deleted the last index, so we will be returning not only the final answer dot trim. And final answer string. So this should work. Okay, yeah, it's working. Let us submit this. What does it say? Yeah, it's working fine. So this is our code, and this was our steps.